In this session, we're looking at how to invoice a created quote. So we're going to go to Processing and Quotes. Here you will see the list of quotes that you've already created. I'm going to select one of the quotes and then I'm going to click on Invoice Quote. Here you will see all the detail that comes from that quotation. You can make changes here if you needed to. You can make changes to the items. For instance, I would like to remove one of these items. The client wanted to know what would be the difference in prices on these two items. So I select the item I want and then I can say F5 to remove that item. I can now even add more items to this invoice if I wanted to. You can make all your changes. You can look at the calculator, you can add a long description, you can look at item detail, you can even amend an item if that's what you wanted. You've got the flash report availability. In other words, everything that you would have on the original or normal invoice screen. And then once you're ready, you can say process or print or process and display. I'm going to click on process and display. Here we now have our preview of our invoice. And once you've used all the options that you want to use on the preview, whether it was printing this invoice or emailing the invoice or creating a PDF, once you've done all of that, you can close your preview screen. And that will then show up in blue. You'll see that the font color of that quote is now in blue. That means that we've already invoiced that quotation. You will also have an invoice date there. And that concludes looking at how to invoice a quote.